Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Awoyemi Victor, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to bulk publish your WordPress draft posts or pages on your WordPress website. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's get started. So this is my WordPress website. We're using this website for example. So in this website here, as you can see, this is my post. I have currently 237 posts, and all my posts are currently in draft. So you can see it's draft. When we preview the website, you will not be able to the post will none of this post is going to reflect or display on the website. So in order for me to publish them, to bulk publish everything at once, how can we go about doing that? So what you have to do is to first check here this screen options. So you have to click, and it's going to drop down, and you change the number of items that is going to show per page. So currently you see I'm having 237 draft posts. So I change it to 300 and I click on apply. So that is why it's showing me all the 237 draft posts in this page. Now the next thing you have to do is to click here. So when we click here, it's going to automatically select all my posts, all my 237 posts. Then you click under this bulk actions, then change it to edit and click on apply. Now it's going to pop up a page like this. So under this status, you are going to click here and change it to publish, then click on update. Now it's going to automatically publish all my 237 draft posts and publish it instantly. So let's give it some seconds. So right now our WordPress draft post, everything has been automatically published. It has published all my posts, all my draft posts automatically, instead of me having to publish all my posts one after the other. So I believe you've learned something new in this video. If this video has been helpful to you, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.